Jacqueline Pynadath, Director of Sustainability and Innovation for Google Cloud in our EMEA region.
Nicolas Estèbe, Global Director in charge of Industrial System Engineering at Renault Group.
Digital technology has the power to accelerate the journey to carbon neutrality.
We must think outside the box to successfully decarbonize the industry.
Google has had a long history of commitment to sustainability. We have been a carbon neutral cloud provider since 2007, and we now have the ambition to use carbon-free energy by 2030. Beyond our own business, we're also helping our customers and partners to achieve their sustainability goals.
Decarbonizing our operation is a key, long-standing commitment. As early as 2012, we opened a zero-carbon plant in Tanger, Morocco. We are actually an industry benchmark for low-carbon operations. By 2030, all of our European facilities will be carbon neutral.
This is a concrete example of open innovation, which is a core tenet of our business. It brought together people from across the industry. We've been inspired to see the types of innovation that come up to help support, develop, and deploy low-carbon solutions.
We have built an industrial roadmap to achieve our carbon neutrality goals. But we are aware that tackling climate change requires more than an engineering perspective. So we decided to bring our partner ecosystem together and create a new momentum in the industry.
We've been working together on a broad range of topics. We're rethinking the industry together. Renault is coming at it from a manufacturing perspective. We provide our technology perspective. We learn from each other and we share solutions to help improve the supply chain and manufacturing efficiency, production quality, and to reduce environmental impact. This feels like a match made in heaven.
Google is a key partner on a number of projects. For example, we are working together to repurpose an AI agent they developed to cut data center energy consumption. In order to use it, there is real synergy with them. They are data experts, we are industry experts. Most importantly, we share a common vision of our responsibility to sustainability.
The only way to live up to sustainability challenges is together. It takes a village to truly advance sustainability.
The only way to live up to sustainability challenges is together.